Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to fix 100% disk and CPU usage on Windows 11 or Windows 10, and we will be also boosting the FPS so that you can play the games without any lag. Ang first method na pwede natin gawin ay dito sa Start menu, so right click na tayo, and then kailangan mo lang select yung Device Manager. Dito sa Device Manager ay kailangan mo lang select itong System Device. So, click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select itong High Precision Event Timers. Click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then kailangan mo na click itong Disable Device. And then click mo itong Yes. And then ganun lang po siya. Alright, so ang next method na pwede ulit natin gawin ay dito sa Start Menus. Click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung Edit Power Blank. Alright, and then click mo tong open. And then ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select tong change advanced power setting. And then dito sa kanyang advanced settings ay kailangan mo lang select tong arrow na to. And then may makikita ka ditong high performance. Kailangan mo lang yung iselect. Alright, so sa atin kasi meron tayo ditong Acer Active and Balance. So click mo lang yan. And then click mo tong apply. And then click mo tong okay. Alright, so ang last method na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa start menu. So right click lang tayo. And then kailangan mo lang select tong Task Manager. Dito sa Task Manager ay kailangan mo lang select tong Startups. Click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan lang natin itong isort yung status nito. Dito siya. So click mo lang yan. To Enable. Alright. So once na-sort na natin to Enabled ay kailangan mo lang mag-select dito mga unwanted apps. So dito sa mga unwanted apps ay kailangan mo lang i-disable siya. Okay, so pagkatapos niyan, so kailangan mo lang mag-restart na ating computer. Alright, so after restart, so back tayo dito and select mo ng tong performance. And then makikita mo na dito yung CPU usage will be easier than earlier. Ayan, ganun lang po siya kadali mga kaibigan. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you at my next tutorial.